Tableau releases major updates 4 times a year and multiple smaller updates throughout. Because our laptops, our PCs, our work PCs, softwares, etc., can all be completely different with different operating systems and different security, the latest version of Tableau doesn't always work. In this video, I'll show you what to do about it. Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about just troubleshooting the installation. So what happens very rarely, I would say 1 in 50 installations. Um, no, probably even rarer. Probably rarer than that, 1 in 100, or usually it happens in organizations. My personal computers have never had issues, but in some cases I actually get this issue. So what Tableau does is, over the year, they release lots of little updates along the way, but 4 times a year they release big updates. Okay, so what you do is if you go Tableau Desktop download, again, I'll provide the link. You click on this one here, Tableau Desktop, Tableau software. And what this is a collection of every single version you can ever download. So typically what happens is you download the latest. Great. But for some reason, maybe there was a bug, or maybe there was something in there that conflicts with your PC and it doesn't quite work. So what you do is you go one down. So you go, let me download the previous version. Okay, so 2021.1.1, and then let me install that and then try that. And that usually solves the issue. So that's only happened to me, I think, actually once on another PC, but I probably did like over 100 installations by that point, right? So you can do that, and you can do that for the other ones, which we'll get to once we do the installation later on in the course. So basically, you'll click one, okay? You go, yes, download Tableau Desktop, and you have the choice of going Windows or Mac. And the really cool thing about Tableau is that it doesn't, if you install a different version, it doesn't overwrite the previous one. So you can actually have multiple versions of Tableau. And this is really good. Like, not everyone will need this, but if you're working with different clients, sometimes, like if it's a big organization, they're not just going to have everybody updating at will, right? What the IT division will do is they'll go, okay, every 3 months, they'll update everybody's in one go. So everyone's always using the same software. For my course, for this one, I would say um, at least 2021 any version. So let me go back. So if you come in here, right, at least this, but if you're still for some reason getting issues, even 2020, you'll be able to take this course, no issue at all. Um, what else? What else? I think that is basically it for the download. So again, if you have any issues, just drop a comment or in the discussion, and we can chat privately if you are still having issues. That's it. I'll see you at the next video.